Hi, this is Smita Deo and welcome to Get Curried. Today let's make a different kind of a chicken which is a little unique in flavor and also different to taste. Different because we're going to make it with Anardana or pomegranate seeds. So we're going to make the Anardana chicken curry. So I'm going to marinate 1 kg of chicken with a cup of yogurt, a teaspoon of ginger paste, a teaspoon of garlic paste, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a tablespoon of red chilli powder, a tablespoon of coriander seed powder, and 3 teaspoons of dried pomegranate seed powder, which is also known as Anardana powder. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of salt, and now let's mix and marinate the chicken with all these ingredients. Let's keep this chicken aside for at least half an hour while we work on the gravy. For the gravy, I'm going to heat 3 tablespoons of ghee. And once the ghee is hot, I'm going to add a bay leaf, 1-inch stick of cinnamon, 5 green cardamoms, and 6 to 7 cloves. Let's wait for these spices to release their aroma. And I'm going to add 3 onions that I have finely chopped here. And let's fry these onions till they are nice and brown in color. The onions have turned to a nice golden color. I'm going to add 1 inch of finely chopped ginger, 6 cloves of garlic that I have finely chopped, and we're going to just saute this for a minute. Now let's add the marinated chicken. And now on a high flame, let's sear the chicken for at least 5 to 6 minutes. Let's add half a teaspoon of salt and continue sauteing the chicken for another 3 minutes. I want to cook the chicken in its own juices, so I'm not going to add any water to this. I'm simply going to cover this and cook it on a low flame for almost 20 to 25 minutes. It's almost 15 minutes that we had kept the chicken to cook. Just let's stir it once so that it doesn't burn down. And what we're going to do now is going to pound 1 mace and quarter of a nutmeg into fine powder. So let's add quarter teaspoon of the mace and the nutmeg powder that we've just pounded. A teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix it well. Now let's cover this and cook till the chicken is done, which should be in another 15 minutes. So we cook the chicken for another 15 minutes. And you can see the meat is off the bone, so the chicken is cooked. Let's shut the flame and plate this dish. All we're going to do now is garnish this with a handful of fresh pomegranate seeds, some finely chopped fresh coriander. Doesn't that look beautiful? And our Anardana chicken is ready to be served. Since this dish is quite dry, semi-dry, you can serve it with a paratha or a naan or a roti of your choice. So do try this recipe and let me know, and keep watching Get Curried.